Jacobs. It's been real rainy for lots of the area, I should say, and really hampering traffic as well.
Yeah, really big downpours in some cases, KJ.
That's right, guys. We're looking at torrential rain for parts of the area, but once it moves out, we're going to have cooler nights, lower humidity beginning on Thursday, and then we're looking ahead at a mainly dry weekend, so make those plans now. But for this evening, you may want to stay put if there's a storm nearby. Here's why. We do have a storm that's starting to weaken some. However, we still have this heavy rainfall continuing to come down, moving into Salisbury right now. This is moving through Rowan County. Statesville got hit pretty hard. You can see the intensity of that lightning continuing to push out of the area now. But notice this line moving back into the mountains. We now have a new line that is forming. It was once severe, which means it met the severe limit and a storm that we have been watching closely. Notice now it's moving into Avery and Watauga counties right now. Here's the latest storm track moving towards Sugar Mountain within 15 minutes from now. Banner Elk within at least 10 minutes from now. Blowing Rock at least by 7 p.m. And I'm tracking another storm. This one is south of that one, coming in York and Chester counties right now. In this county line area between York and Chester County, this is the most intense part of the storm as you see it here. Notice the frequent lightning. This lightning is dangerous, cloud to ground lightning. Aside from that, we have heavy rainfall. This particular part of the line was also once severe. It's just below severe limits, but we could have winds strong enough to produce wind damage from damage to trees as well as power lines. Here's a look right now at the latest storm track. Rock Hill by 7:01. We're coming in right there at York by 7:26, which is going to sit right there along 321 here in the center of Chester and York County. That moves right through this particular area. Tega Cay by 7:02 and Fort Mill about 7:15. Those of you in the Sandhills through Chesterfield and Anson as well as Richmond counties, you had a stronger storm over the last couple of hours. Conditions are starting to improve, but we'll see a few more showers and storms developing before sunset and shortly thereafter. It's all driven by this cold front. Now, we will be rewarded with cooler temperatures and lower humidity once the front passes us, but first we're going to have to deal with more of these showers and storms before the night is over. By 11 o'clock tonight, we'll have the last of the showers and thunderstorms out there. They should be isolated in nature by this point, meaning they're not going to cover a lot of ground late tonight nor into the start of your day tomorrow. This is a look ahead at Wednesday afternoon by 3 p.m. Most of the area I do anticipate to be dry. However, we'll have an isolated shower storm. Cannot rule it out. It's just going to depend on how this front passes us. If it stays nearby, then it could keep those shower and storm chances around for Wednesday. Something we'll keep an eye on. By Thursday, the front will likely have passed us. Temperatures will cool down, and this just gives us an indication of the difference in where we should be this time of year compared to where we're going. So my forecast is 79 for Thursday, the same for Friday, 80 for Saturday and Sunday. And this forecast will put us below average by at least 3 degrees at best. So a little bit of taste of fall, if I may. Perhaps you may say it's a stretch, but that's what we're going with, as we'll have lower humidity as well as sunny skies and cooler temperatures. But then that humidity starts to build back in by Sunday, and we'll also tap into a little bit of that moisture, and we'll have some rainfall for Sunday, but not a washout for your weekend. So Thursday, 70s, near 80 for Saturday and Sunday. Beautiful weekend weather. Charlotte FC will be at home on Saturday, and we also have the Knights, the final homestand of the season, happening this week. So enjoy some baseball. WCNC Charlotte is back after the break.